mga karockers, this is Rocky at mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng The Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf The Giving Journal 2020. Before pala tayo makakuha ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Giving Journal, kailangan muna natin makakumpleto ng 12 stamps. 12 stamps that corresponds sa 12 drinks ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Makakakuha na tayo ng Giving Journal. Yung Coffee Bean 2020 Giving Journal, nakabalot sa ngayon dito sa kulay gray na karton. At makikita nyo, yung design niya is the typical leaves. Coffee. May titulong The Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf 2020 Giving Journal. For kung kaninong ibibigay at kung sino ang nagbigay. At merong twist ngayon dahil dito pa lang sa cover niya, pwede mo daw siyang kulayan. At pag natapos mo, make it more artistic. One, i-post natin siya sa Instagram with the hashtag of 2020 Giving Journal at i-tag natin ang CBTL, ang official Instagram account ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, at pwede tayong manalo ng great prizes. Simulan natin buksan ang ating Giving Journal. So from this carton, ganun lang siya. Lagi naman every year talagang meron siyang initial cover, yung Coffee Bean Giving Journal, kung saan nilalagay mismo yung journal na to. At wala na siyang mga ibang cover, wala ng plastic, kagaya ng ibang mga planner. So ganito lang siya. Ito ngayon yung pinili ko. Isa sa 4 na Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Giving Journal for the year. Dahil for 2020, we have 4 designs. 2 of these designs, yung may leaves na to, at merong label and logo ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, meron siyang kulay na eto, pink and green. And the other one naman, the other 2 I mean is that meron din siyang design na patatsulok or square, at ang kulay niya naman is I think violet and blue. But this time, I get this one, the pink one. So ito siya. Ngayon, simulan natin buksan ang Giving Journal ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf 2020. So, bukas natin, typical, the kulay brown Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf with the label of 2020 Giving Journal. Pag binukasan pa natin siya, eto, meron siyang stickers. Yan, iba-ibang kulay, iba't ibang logo ng Coffee Bean. And of course, eto, sa first page niya, ito yung cover nung other 2 colors ng Coffee Bean. So, ayan siya, yung parang patatsulok. At pag binuksan pa natin, syempre, 2020, makikita mo dito yung personal information mo, kung saan mo ilalagay yung mga contact details. And of course, yan, logo, label ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Hindi rin mawawala sa mga planner na to, yung calendar. So, meron tayong 2020 at 2021 naman dito sa baba niya. The Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf passion for coffee and tea since 1963. So, eto siya. Meron diyang literary works about sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. At pag sinimulan na natin, yan, typical. Parang this 2020, ang pinaka-topic niya is about courage. Kaya dito sa January pa lang makikita natin na ito yung motto niya. Be strong, be courageous, do not be afraid or discouraged. At dito sa January, makikita natin na merong literary piece. Dinidescribe kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin nito ng Be Strong and Be Courageous. Yan siya. For the month of January. Turning it to the next page, meron siyang grid. Ito, yung calendar ng grid ng January 2020 kung saan ipapalat natin yung ating mga schedule. At pag binuksan pa natin, blank pages na for the month of January. So, ito, from December 30 to 31 to January 1 and 5. Then January 6 to 12. January 13 to 19. So, yung mga next pages niya, blank pages for January, nahati siya weekly. So, ito. At last week ng January 27 to 31 at February 1 and 2. So, ito. And of course, when we turn it next, the next page, ayan. Another article actually. For the month of February, the topic is Courage to Start. So, para siyang magazine. Picture article. At for the month of January, sinulat siya ni Junber Arkaina. So, ayan siya. A good read for the month of February. And turning now the pages of February, ito uli siya, grid, calendar, kung saan pwede nyong i-plot yung mga events nyo, anniversary, mga plano, and of course, yung mga date nyo for the month of February. Because February is the month of love. Valentine's Day, yung mga date nyo, huwag nyong kalimutang i-plot. At kagaya ng January, eto siya, blank pages divided sa mga week or weeks. Kung saan nyo pwedeng isulat yung mga, sabi ko nga, plans, notes nyo, or pwede nyo rin gawing diary. Turning it, we have the month of March, my birthday month. At again, meron tayong a good read article. For the month of March, it's all about courage to forgive, na sinulat ni Joy Tanchi Mendoza. So eto, it's a good read again. Courage to forgive, pagpapatawad sa mga taong nagkasala sa atin. So basahin natin siya. It's really inspirational article for the month of March. And let's turn it now to the next. Again, the grid, blank page for the month of March. Para pwede ninyang i-plot dyan. Anniversaries, events, birthdays, treats, until I turn it to the month of April. So ito, for the month of April, Courage to Surrender. Yan, nasinulat ni Kuya Kim Atienza. At makikita natin, talagang picture article siya. At ang ganda ng ano niya eh. Yan, yung view niya. It's about sea. So, pag binasa natin to, talagang may inspire tayo. Natin ang mga pages. Again, another grid. For the month of April. Next, our blank pages. Ayan, April is all about vacation. So, plan na natin ang ating mga next vacations until we have this one. Yan, another picture article for the month of May, Courage to Become, na sinulat naman Joyce Villamor. So, yan siya. So, every month, para ka nagtuturn ng magazine eh. Para kang may magazine collection mo. Parang 12 picture articles correspond to 12 months of each year. Blank pages again. Ito, June, Courage to Achieve, na sinulat ni Karina Dayundon. So, ito naman siya. Ito naman yung design niya. So, parang ang tsura niya, parang mga mini Bible na nakikita natin sa mga bookstores. Ganyan siya for the month of June. Grid calendar, blank pages where we can plot uli, events, birthday, dates, vacations, vacation leaves, at ano pang mga important dates natin for the month of June until we go to July. Courage to Serve, another good picture article na sinulat ni hindi siya sinulat because it's a real life story. So, basahin natin para makalalay tayo. for the feature article or good article to read for the month of July. Once more, calendar grid, blank pages. So, ito yung pinaka niya. Pinaka holder niya. Hindi ba nakakapit siya dito? Again, turn it on, blank pages, until we have August. And for the month of August naman, Courage to Empower. Yes, it's about empowerment na sinulat ni Naomi Rivero. So, ayan. What's about the courage to empower? So, maintindihan natin yan when we read this for the month of August. Again and again, blank pages, calendar grid para sa mga plano natin. 2020 plans, ihanda na natin lahat yan. And September, courage to perceive na sinulat naman ni Ferdy Kabiling. So, meron pang mga quotes dyan at article to read para ma-inspire tayo dahil nandito na tayo sa Burman. September, again and again, blank pages, photo grid, calendar, until we have October, courage to trust na sinulat ni Dodong Kakanando. So, ayan, sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan natin, yan. Let's be enlightened. Let's be inspired. Habang sinusulat natin ang ating mga plano for the month of October, yan, on the succeeding pages. So, ito, November na tayo. Courage to Overcome ni Pastor Danny or Kiko. So, ayan siya. Inspirational. Since sino to ni Pastor, I think it's another biblical article. Inspirational to read. Turn it on. Calendar grid. Blank pages. Ayan. The 11th mark of the year. Month of November. Ito siya. Until we have December. Last month na tayo. December. Courage to hope sa mga umaasa, sa mga nahopya sa pag-ibig at kung saan-saan pa na sinulat naman ni Miss Gia Garcia. Ito siya. Inspirational article. Yun. Na mag-i-inspire sa atin habang nagsusulat tayo ng mga plano for December. Ayan siya. Until we have the last pages of this planner. So, ano-ano na bang makikita natin sa last pages, sa few pages of this planner? Of course, the blank pages notes. Kung ano yung gusto mong isulat, scratch, random thoughts. Yan. Listahan ng kung ano-ano. Pwede mong isulat dyan. Kung mahilig ka mag-drawing, you can draw them here. At, eto na. Ang inaabangan ng lahat. The promo coupons. Pero this year, or this 2020, yung promo coupons nila, iba kaysa sa mga previous planners because yung coupons dati, bawat isa, yung 12 coupons na yun, magagamit mo lang every month. Pero this time, 12 coupons, yan. Itong 12 coupons na to, hindi na siya per month. Magagamit mo na siya all year round. Yun, no? So, makikita mo dito, this coupon is valid until December 31, 2020. So, ito, kung hindi mo nagamit yung first coupon sa January, February, hindi mo rin nagamit, pwede mo siyang gamitin hanggang December 31, 2020. Ayan siya. So, kung hindi ka mahilig magkape, hindi mo nakita na may coupon pala for this month, pwede mo siyang gamitin on the succeeding month hanggang December 31, 2020. Yan. So, kahit lahat ng coupon na yan, yung 12 coupon na yan, kahit sa December 30 mo paggamitin lahat to treat your friends, office mates, mga plans mo, you could go anywhere. Kahit saang coffee bean and tea leaf shop para magamit natin siya. To avail discounts, to avail promos, and to avail free teas or coffee. Siyempre, after the coupon, wala na siya. Eto na siya. Okay. Cover. The end cover of this planner. So, ito ang planner natin for 2020 ng Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Dubbed as the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Giving Journal. Hashtag 2020 Giving Journal by CBTL. Meron din mga nagtatanong, paano daw ma-avail itong Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Giving Journal kung ayaw mo mag-ipon ng stamp? The answer is yes, pwede mo siyang mabili this planner for an amount of 1,999 or approximately 2,000. 2,000 nga for this planner. Pero kung kayo naman malakas magkape, mahilig mag-tea, you could collect 12 stamps. At yung stamp natin ngayon for Coffee Bean, hindi siya 12. 18 siya. Because kung gusto mong ituloy-tuloy yung collection mo ng stamp, pwede mo siya ngayong gamitin para maka-avail ka ng kanilang tumbler. 18 stamps equivalent to 1 tumbler. While kung ayaw mo, hanggang 12 stamps lang ang gusto mo, you could have the planner. So, if ever you have the stamp, 12, kung gusto mo siyang ituloy, gawin mong 18, you could have the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf tumbler. That's it mga karockers for unboxing and review of the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf Giving Journal 2020. My second unboxing and review for the Coffee Shop's Planner for 2020. Abangan nyo, meron pa tayong dalawa bago natin sila ipag-compare at i-review silang apat on my next vlog. See you there mga karockers!